So bead has a very long history, from 30,000 BC to the present.
Green?
Is
Michael green?
No, here is green. Michael is orange and black.
This one? Michael is what? Black and orange?
Yes. If you want to move the top. Exactly. They're not expecting anything, so they're being handled.
You secure with green?
Yes. Oh, this is cute. That was pretty enough.
How much is that? No. You said she doesn't wear.
No, I said for you. I didn't say no.
One with green in it now. I need one more.
one more green?
Yeah.
Take a still photo. I need to take portrait.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Don't worry, you're already beautiful.
Somebody is the one that we for necklace over there.
Yeah.
It looks like to be definitely the phone was up. The big was a little.
Those ones we say you mix the stuff in?
Well, yeah.
Originally we use for grinding pepper and tomato, but now we design them. You can put orange, take some cargo,
Unskillful.
But I'm going to cook it. You know, cook it. I'm very modest, right?
you know, we'll wrap it for you.
Okay.
Like I'll wrap it with the foam.
I'm going to know.
Yeah, I'll wrap it for
So
you.
what do you do with it? I put it on.
No, you have to put that one on because I think it'll look nice with what you have on. Yes.
It looks so elegant. It looks so elegant.
But nobody knows what you have on from the waist down, so.
That's right.
That's
That's exactly true.
Good.
You should please pick one up from here.
Maybe, yeah. I would do this.
But I think we have the take pink and make it
But previously, Yes.
Those are stylish
Very,
ones.
yeah, they are really stylish. You have women who make the.
Yes.
Oh, two of your daughters. I could be one of your daughters too. You have to adopt me.
I got like 3 of them there.
Very good. So we're very
Yeah.
good. Yes.
We have the black one here.
Look at the earring.
That's one. So I'm making this one, I'll send it to Germany in January.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
I like the tourism side of this. Like
Yeah.
you are bringing people to
Oh, yeah.
you know, make it for this.
Yeah.
I couldn't take yourself out. Don't take yourself out of the frame, Ako.
How long did it take you to get here?
Oh, how many? I can't even remember.
I know.
I think about 2 days.
Yeah.
About 38 hours. Oh, yes. I mean,
It has a very long history, from 20,000 BC to the present. So when there was no glass, our great-grandparents were using stone, clay, seed, bone, anything that they can pierce with, they classify it as beads.
is that bone?
No.
No.
It's-
Okay.
We make it look like bone, but it's glass.
Okay.
Yes. These ones are 30 and these are 50.
No, this is for children.
These are 36. Yes, they are all glass. And these are some of the leftovers that the hosts are not good. But then we use them to make this.
Taking care of all the women in my office.
Is black and orange.
Oh, no.
Kiara's favorite color is
Glass, you can put your stuff in it.
thank you.
And I'm going to get a book.
Okay.
Coffee.
No, we don't have internet here. Oh.